Hello everyone. In previous video we have seen how we could create project and how could we create environment like production and development. Today we are going to see how we can deploy our PostgreSQL database in our Coolify VPS. So for that one we have to go to the project and we have to choose one environment. So if you have created different environment, then you will see option like this, like the name of the environment. But if you have got only one environment, you will directly see the project inside that environment. So we have already got one database over here. Now we are going to do next one. So for that one, we have to click on new, means we have to create a new resource. So that's why we have to click on this new button. Or if we have got this empty space over here, you can see a huge button at the center having the text add new resource. So I'll simply click on new at the top. After clicking on that new, you will get different kind of option over there. Like you can deploy different kind of projects, you can deploy different kind of resources. But today we are going to see just deploying or just creating PostgreSQL resource only. So we will search PostgreSQL in the search bar and click on that database. After clicking on the database, it will give you the latest PostgreSQL version, which is given by your Coolify VPS. So for now, when I'm recording this video, it has got PostgreSQL 17 as the default database. So I will click on that. And after clicking on that, it will give you some variety option. So you could change the name of that resource over here. So I will give here PostgreSQL as the name. You can change description also. So this, no, sorry, this is a test PostgreSQL DB. Same like that, it will use the image PostgreSQL 17. If you want to change the image also, like if you want to use PostgreSQL 16 or if you want to use PostgreSQL 17, here we have with Alpine, you can choose other version also or other image also. These are basically called Docker image. You can see the Docker for that one. It will installed that Docker image and it will create a container for you. You can change the username also, you can change the password also, but for now we'll take it as it is. We'll keep it same. After you have done all those things, click on save. And after you have clicked on save, we have got name, we have got description. Now you can do it later on also, right? Or simply you can click on start. After clicking on start, it will start to download the image if it hasn't been downloaded in your Coolify VPS till now. But if it is already downloaded, it will automatically create the container from the image. So our database has started already. It will take some time if you are doing for the first time, right? So look, our database is running. So hence we have successfully run a PostgreSQL database into our Coolify VPS. Thank you for now. And in next video, we are going to see how we can make PostgreSQL URL public.